Hello everybody, this is me247 with another video, and today we're going to be going authentics hunting. Hopefully we find some good stuff. Lately, Walmarts and Targets have been hit or miss, so if we find any cars, say that'll be good. Ideally, we do find a Race Win Wave 2, but I'd be happy to find the Matt Benedetto All-Star car, but let's get to some hunting. Before this video starts, I'd like to invite you guys to check out Bench Racing Diecast located in Newark, New York. They have the greatest selection for 164 and 124 scale diecasts, and it is an amazing store. Whether you've been collecting for years or just getting into the hobby, it is a must-see for any collector. They also have a website which is linked in the comments and description below, so if you see something you like but don't live nearby, you can still purchase it. Once again, the name is Bench Racing Diecast, but now, let's get on to the video. First stop of the day was a Target, and I found a decent selection of Wave 9 cars. I'm not really in need of any of these cars, so I did pass on everything here, but it's nice to see some authentics on the shelves at this store because they haven't had any cars in months. Second stop of the day was a really disappointing Walmart that I drove almost a half hour for. They just had some 187s, but luckily I was able to strike gold at the next Target, so they had some of Race Win Wave 2. You can see the Ryan Blaney Talladega car. Also had the Brad Keselowski Bristol car, and then another Ryan Blaney Talladega. They also had a decent selection of Wave 9, like I said earlier, not really looking for any of these though. And then they had the Joey Logano Las Vegas winner car. I ended up picking up the Joey Logano and the Ryan Blaney for myself, and then I got another Ryan Blaney for Motorsport Insider. Was really tempted to get this Brad Keselowski, but I'm just not a huge fan of the discount tire scheme, so I did end up passing on this one. Next stop of the day was another Walmart, and they didn't have any 164s, but they had a decent hauler selection, so they had a Ryan Blaney body armor one, a Matt Benedetto Wood Brothers hauler, and then a Jeff Gordon and a Tyler Reddick hauler. And then another Walmart, once again no 164s, but they had a few 187s, and then they also had a couple haulers. My next stop was Target, and they once again had their pegs filled to the brim with Wave 9 cars. Final Target of the day, and they had a really good selection of Race Win Wave 2 cars. So once again a Ryan Blaney, and then they had a Martin Truex Jr. Martinsville winner car. They also had some Wave 9, and then I found this one. Really happy to find this. It's Grant Enfinger's Daytona truck. Ended up picking that one up. They also had another Brad Keselowski discount tire Bristol car, and then a Denny Hamlin Daytona 500 car. And then another really awesome find is Chase Elliott's Daytona Roval winner. So I had to pick this one up. I have every one of his Authentics Race Win cars so far, so I had to keep the streak going. And then my final stop of the day, another depressing Walmart trip. So just some 187s, but they did have a few more haulers. So they had a Haley Deegan hauler, and then a Jimmy Johnson throwback hauler. I really liked that one. And then they had a Tyler Reddick hauler, and then a Jeff Gordon iRacing hauler. And now I'll show you guys all the cars I picked up from today. So I'll start out with Chase Elliott's Roval car. This is, of course, the Daytona Roval. And this is the Race Win Wave 2. So all the cars from this wave are raced version diecast. So there's that one. I'll probably end up getting that one in 124 eventually. Really nice looking Napa car. Pretty clean win, but I just like the paint scheme a lot. And then we can move on to Joey Logano's Las Vegas winner. Have this one in 124. Right there. Next up, Ryan Blaney's Talladega car. Kind of a boring paint scheme, but figured I don't have any Ryan Blaney Menards 164s, so nice one to add to the collection. And then, last but not least, Grant Enfinger's Daytona winter truck. Now, I really want to find the Chase Elliott truck. That's the next one I have to find. Hopefully I don't have to pay eBay prices, but I'm trying to keep my collection, or I'm trying to keep it in my collection where I have every single 164 truck in Authentics that's been released, and I have been good up until this wave. It's been a little hard to find these ones, but glad to finally get this one. And I'll show you guys these cars too. I picked them up for Motorsport Insider. Not for me, but yeah. Denny Hamlin Daytona, and then another Talladega Blaney. So I'll be giving those to him shortly. But if you guys are new to the channel, then don't forget to subscribe and comment if you guys have found Race Win Wave 2 yet. It doesn't seem like many people have, so I think I just got lucky today. And once again, it's been me2407. Thanks so much, everybody, and have a great day.